Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shabira binti Nur Asmawi. My metric is A19A0829. Okay, today I want to present my part is data descriptions. Okay, the variable in this set quantitative as well as qualitative. The age of respondents was over 15, while there were two categories of gender. First is X1 is educational level. First is a degree, second is diploma. Okay, second for X2 gender. First is a male, second is female, and third is X3 is for age group, and lastly Y for number of graduates. Okay, next is a number of graduates in unit thousand by age group, educational level, and gender in measure that 2016 to 2019 received from the Department of Malaysia. Okay, next from my point is a data of graduate frequency table. Okay, the frequency for the number of graduate is total 64 for frequency. The percent is 100%. And education level frequency is X1 is get frequency 64 for total, and the percent for X1 is 100% for education. And for the gender, X2 is frequency get total 64, percent get 100%, and the cumulative for one is 50, and second get 100. For the age frequency, get total frequency get 64, and the percent get 100%. That's all for my post, and thank you.
I want to continue with the graphical representation. In graphical representation, we have two graphs. First is histogram graph and second is pie graph. In histogram graph, we have histogram of the variables number of graduate. The histogram shows that the variables number of graduate is approximately normally distributed. Here Y is number of graduate and Descriptive give software of default. And second is histogram of the variable age. The histogram of the variable age shows that it is positively skewed distribution. Here X cube is age variable and Descriptive give software by default. The pie diagram of gender variable of number of graduate. The pie diagram shows the number of male and female who graduate. Here 1 used for male and 2 used for female.
Hi, my name is Al-Amin bin Hamid. My metric number A19A0035, and now I will present about descriptive analysis for number of graduates. So, the mean for number of graduate is 298.83. The SD total is 147.55. Next, the skewness is 0.68 and kurtosis is 3.25. Next, we going to mean descriptive for each variable. The mean equal is 34.1. The total SD is 1111.3. The total of skewness is 0.407, and the last is kurtosis. The total is 2.31. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Haras Afiq Hairi, A19B0174, and today I'm going to explain about statistical analysis using SPSS. For 4.1, for number of graduates, mean 298.8281, standard deviation equal to 147.556, and for the skewness equal to 0.68189, and for the kurtosis 3.258. And also for the age, which is mean equal to 34.109 and standard deviation equal to 11.302 and the skewness equal to 0.4079 and for the kurtosis is 2.313. So the comparison for it, the result of task 3 and task 4.1 are same. And the 4.2 using t-test, we have for like since t 16.2015 is greater than the t value for alpha equal to 0.05 with 63 difference, hence we reject our null hypothesis. And for the analysis of variance using ANOVA, ANOVA, we will find equality of means of number of graduate by gender using ANOVA. At least one mean is not equal for H1, and for number 2 is A equal to 0.05, and for the number 3 is test statistic F equal mean square of treatment or mean square error, and for the number 4 0.62 for the F, and since p-value 0.4357 is larger than given alpha value 0.05, hence we did not reject our null hypothesis also. And for the 4.3, find the correlation coefficient by software, we will find the correlation between number of graduate and age variable. Correlation R equal to 0.0266, which although it is positive but it is a weakness correlation. And 4.4 with finding confidence interval by software, we receive that the 95% or the 95%, 99% and 90% confidence interval for the variable numbers of graduate are 95% confidence interval for population mean 261.696 is greater than 335.68, and for the 90% confidence interval for population mean 268.03 is greater than 329.62. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Adrian Zabirani Yayu. My matrix number is A19A1121. Today I will talk about checking the relationship using multiple linear regression by software. First, the number of graduates can be described by their gender, having degree, or simply a graduate and the graduate age. Hence, the multiple regression model can be written as Y equal by B0 plus B1 gender plus B2 degree plus B3 age plus CU. So estimating the above model by least square method, we get Y equal by 273.609 minus by 20.88 degree plus 29.38 degree plus 0.3658. So all of the coefficients are significant as the p-value are larger than alpha value 0.05. Thank you.
And hi, my name is Siti Novatia Hanim. My matric number is A19A0878. Okay, today I would like to explain about the concluding remarks. Okay, in this project, we have some interesting result. We find that the variable of number of graduate and age follow the normal distribution. We find that double restriction for the number of a graduate used is a good model because all coefficients are not significant. Due to today's graduates who do not focus on learning properly, many graduates do not have quality. Graduates should strive to improve their skills, latest techniques and creative ideas at a young age. They should also strive to find as much experience as possible so that job search can follow the scope sought by employers today. That's all from me. Thank you.